Hey everyone! I'm excited to talk to you today about a game changer in the world of networking, the Pamper Me Network. This isn't your usual networking scene. Forget the old school board of trades and the hassle of finding the right venue. Imagine this. Connecting with influential entrepreneurs not just in your city but globally, and from the comfort of your own home. That's right, the Pamper Me Network leverages the power of webinars to connect you more frequently and more broadly than ever before. But here's the kicker. Every connection you make, every webinar you host or participate in, even the free ones, could earn you cash rewards. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. With Pamper Me Network, it's all about adding value to your networking and making sure you're rewarded for it. So, how does it work? Simply join the community, start attending or hosting webinars, and watch your network and bank account grow. Whether you're looking to connect locally or brand yourself globally, this platform has got you covered. If you're tired of the traditional networking grind and you're ready for something that fits into your digital lifestyle, then don't miss out. Join the Pamper Me Network today. Revolutionize the way you network. Check out the link in the description to get started. Let's make those connections count, not just in numbers, but in real value. See you on the network.